So we finally made it to the end of the bridge, and now we're going down this path to go down to the riverbank. Oh, this is it. Looks like they're restructuring or something. Just a little ways down. You can hear the birds chirping in the background. Always a great sound to hear. We actually saw somebody ride their bicycle down here. Oh, didn't even see this. Looks like they got some, either it's just overgrown grass or they got plants growing. We're almost down to the bottom, near the riverbank. And here we are. We have made it to the bottom. And there is the river. You can see like there's a little stream going into it. Very small. Could be the sewer. Yeah, it's probably exactly what that is. And then eventually this goes out to the ocean. Actually, I did see a bird on the pavement here. I want to show you guys this. It's right here. Something that's pretty unique. Gotta clean up after your dog. Can't let them go free around here. Okay, so we're gonna continue going. So please stay tuned.